record-breaking flooding on the Fox River. Checking in with Storm Team 4 meteorologist Brian Dysnanski.
Yeah, we've seen Burlington now crest this morning. Now downstream, the water continues to rise. This is the very latest data now, very latest measurement of the Fox River in New Munster. Now over 17 feet. That is shattering the old record. That's more than 6 feet above flood stage. Should rise another few inches through the day today. This is extraordinary stuff, something they've never seen.
Still urging people to stay clear of flooded roads. A lot of those roads remain underwater. In some cases, that water is still rising. All 4 bridges in Burlington that cross the Fox are closed.
So when these people came, the gardeners came to the garden, before they got there, yes, they could guess a little bit, but their brain still would simulate how the garden should reasonably look before they got there. The brain makes a simulation of it because they saw the garden before. It was in their concepts. They made a concept of the garden, how it looked, what it was, all the beauty of it, all about it. When they came and there was the flood, there was a prediction error. Now they saw, there's an area right above my eyes, and that's where the prediction error takes. It's the orbital frontal, and its job is to compare reality compared to simulation. And the simulation was wrong compared to the reality. Now there's a prediction error. First thing the brain can do is deny it. I don't believe this happened. I don't believe it. I just won't believe it. You can deny things. Next thing that could happen is now you have to do something about it. And that would mean you have to come up with a new strategy, a skill, find some mentors to help you out solve the problem, or have collective intentionality, work together as a group, and come up with a new concept to solve the problem of the flooding. And usually people with cognitive reserve will come up with a new concept as a group. Not one person, but as a group. The best way to do it, by having more than one brain, and they can only do that through this wonderful thing called language. And here we come all the way back, circle to words. And words, when they come up with this new concept, that concept now will be added to their brains, and they can make a better prediction next time when it rains. And under that new concept, it might be flood prevention, with a lot of different instances under there, and new ideas how to prevent that from happening again. But you just made a new concept by collective intentionality. It becomes a social reality then. Doesn't have to be a truthful, doesn't have to be real, but it becomes real to all these brains. So, flooding, that's what these people saw when they got there, and how their brains handled it.